Hey folks, it was a cool start to the day. Temperatures this morning, 60s across most of the valley, and a little sun this afternoon helped warm readings back up. But, you know, after a day like Sunday when temperatures are over 100, you kind of forget that it can get kind of cool this time of year. Here's where we are now. Everybody in the 70s except the island, 68 degrees there right now, but everybody else 70, 71 in Brownsville, 79 McAllen, Rio Grande City checking in at 75. Take a look at tonight's lows across the area. We're going to be running about 8 to 10 degrees below normal. Most of us in the mid-50s. The exception, again, will be the island, holding steady at about 65 all night. But that's, again, way below normal for this time of year. And if we look at our highs tomorrow, it's still going to be way below normal. Only low 70s valley-wide. That's 10 to 15 degrees below. We call it normal. It's technically the 30-year average. We look at 30 years consecutively and then average out each day, highs and lows. And the average high for this time of year is in the mid-80s, and tomorrow only in the low to mid-70s. So way below average or below what we call normal once again across the area tomorrow. If we take a peek at what the next 3 days are going to be, we're still going to be below average on Thursday. There's that average high of 86. But by Friday, look at that. We jump back above average, and we keep going up from there. I think this weekend is going to be very warm, and Sunday has the potential to be up close to 100 degrees again. Maybe not quite as hot as last Sunday, but still a very warm day. Let's take a look at dew points, and that tells us how much moisture is in the air. When dew points are in the mid-50s, that means it's pretty comfortable on the muggy meter. You'll notice about 57, so that's right here in that comfortable range. Summertime, we're sitting up here in the mid-70s, so way below that, and that's why it feels so nice outside, even with the clouds around, humidity down here at the ground, here at the surface. And look at the humidity the next few days. We really bottom out late tonight into early tomorrow, courtesy of this north breeze that's pushing in, and then dew points go back up. By the time you get to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you're looking at summertime dew points back in the 70s again. It's going to feel pretty sticky out there. Here's cloud cover today. There was a lot this morning, but the clouds thinned out nicely this afternoon. A lot of the valley seeing at least some sunshine across the region. Future track suggests those clouds come right back in tonight. Don't really see enough moisture for any sprinkles or any drizzle. I think we cloud up above us, but down here at the ground, it's still pretty dry, so I just don't see much in the way of rain tonight or tomorrow either. But the day is still dominated by clouds. I think it's mostly cloudy across the area pretty much all day tomorrow. Rain chances, take a look. We're flatlined down here at the bottom. The yellow line is our rain chance, and there's just nothing all the way through Wednesday. So we've dropped it off. Yeah, there's a slight chance in there Thursday. We're talking really slight. For the most part, I think the rain stays away. So we're going dry Wednesday, Thursday dry day during the daytime, and then at night we throw a 10 to 20% chance in there by the time we get into Friday, but just a slight chance. So for tonight, mostly cloudy and cool, 55. If we get down to that, boy, that is so far below normal. We'll tell you how uncommon that is coming up tonight at 6. In the meantime, tomorrow, only 72 for a high, staying cool all day. Your winds all day tomorrow out of the north at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. Here's a look at the next 3 days, 72, 80, 89. Friday into Saturday, there's going to be a front in the neighborhood. Probably won't be able to go through, but close enough to trigger maybe a shower or storm. Look at Sunday, 97 for a high on Sunday afternoon. And then early next week, we kind of bring it back down a little bit closer to normal for this time of year. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.